Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jade. If you're new here, a very warm welcome, and if you're one of my lovely subscribers, always come back. I would say thank you for coming back, but this is probably the first time you've been back in such a long time, being as it's been a good like year or something since I've done videos. Anyway, I thought I would come back to YouTube and I thought I would kick it off with a B&M haul because I know that that is like up there with one of my favourites, one of everyone's favourites. Who doesn't love B&M? But anyway, I picked up a few bits the other day and I thought I would share them with you, so let's just jump right in. So I'm going to jump in there with the cleaning products because I'm pretty sure every time you go B&M you get cleaning products. If you don't, I'm probably sure you don't clean. I don't know. So first off, I picked up this 3-pack of washing machine cleaner. So I've never actually tried that one, but I thought for £1 you can't go wrong with trying it anyway. Secondly, I picked up some Fabulosa foaming drain cleaner. Now this says it's a freshener and a sanitizer. It cost £1.79. I don't know what's going on, but my sink drain at the moment is just not really the one from time to time. So I was like, no, I definitely need to do something about it. I normally do put some Harpic cleaner down there, but I thought I'd pick up this one because it's foaming, and I just thought, I don't know, when things foam, they just feel a little bit more cleaner. So I am going to use this. Third and fourth, I picked up some Glade carpet freshener and some Harpic toilet cleaner. They were both £1 and they're probably like essentials that you have in the house, so I need some more. One last sort of boring bit to get out of the way. I picked up this mini foldable cutting mat. Now this was only £1, but honestly, the one thing I hate more than anything is having to take out my big glass chopping board to cut like a little onion or something like that. So I just thought this was so cute and mini to have in the cupboard. £1, take it out, like it's so easy to store because it's tiny. Flip it open, use, wash, put back again. So now I'm going to just jump right in with the bits that I was actually looking forward to showing you. I'm going to start up with one of my faves because if you know me, you know I love plants. It's just the way it is. I can't change it, it's just me. So of course at the moment their plant, like their live plant section, even their false one, like I saw this little mini cute little, what do you call that thing? I've forgotten the name, but yeah, this was like artificial. £6, can't go wrong, but I don't really like artificial plants, so stick to the real ones. Their real ones at the moment are so good, like they look so healthy. I picked up this baby for £8.50. Now don't ask me to say the name, it's a Diffenbachia. It's a Diffenbachia or something like that. That's probably said really wrong, but anyway, this is what it looks like. It's an air purifying plant, so it's good for the air as well. £8.50. Now if you Google that, right, and get it from like a normal plant shop, they're over like £30, especially for this size. It's a 17cm one. Like this is such a bargain. I just thought it looked so nice, so healthy, and it's real. So yeah, definitely if you're into plants, go down there and check out their plant section. It's really good at the moment. Them and Lidl's have got really good ones as well for so cheap, £5. Now to go with the plant, because obviously you buy a plant and you need somewhere to put it, I actually picked up a table in the cell, but I'm going to use it as a plant stand. So this is part of the Urban Paradise range, and it's just called a cane table. I'm going to try and take it out so I can show you. Basically I saw it on the shelf and it was like in the reduced section, so I thought I'd bring it down to the till anyway, see how much it was. It wasn't reduced by much. It's originally £15, but I actually paid £12 for it, which in hindsight, if you look at it, like plant stands online are so expensive. It's a bit like a wedding, like you put the word wedding in there and suddenly they're expensive. You put a stand and you put plant in it and like the price just goes, oh, £30, don't get it. So yeah, I thought I'd pick this up. It's only small. I'm hoping the legs ain't too wide on it, and I'm just going to use it as a plant stand basically. So I also picked up another part of the Urban Paradise range that they've got in there at the moment. Now I absolutely loved these when I saw them, and I needed a new plate collection. Like I've been saying this for a while now because I've got a grey one, but loads of them are chipped and I'm missing all my like small plates. They're actually broken, so definitely need a new one. So I picked up, oh it's heavy. So I picked this set here up. Now the set itself was £20. I absolutely loved it. Like I'll show you the design. In that set you get 4 dinner plates, 4 smaller plates, and then 4 bowls. And then obviously I'm a family of 6, so I picked up some more. I'm a family of 6, I meant we're a family of 6. So I picked up 2 more plates obviously to make it 6. I didn't pick up any, well we don't really have like cereal all at the same time, so I don't really need 6 bowls, but plates we need. I'll come a bit closer so you can see the design on it. I just thought that was so nice. It sort of gives me like tribal vibes / boho, like just a bit of everything. I just thought they were so nice, like, and I love that they're black underneath, so they're black, beige. It's sort of the colour scheme that I'm going for at the moment. So I picked up 2 more plates, which were £2.50 each, and then I can't get a plate set without getting these bigger bowls. Like I absolutely love this size bowl. I have my dinner out of like a bowl like this. So yeah, I picked up 2 of these as well, which was £2.50 each, so that'll do us fine. So the whole set all in all came to £30, which I think is nice. Like a nice set. I just love them. I think they look really nice. What do you think? They also had so much more to go with the range. So they had like the mugs, the cups. I also want to get some new cutlery. They did have the Urban Paradise cutlery. I think it's black and gold. I'll pop some pictures here because I did take some pictures to show you. I didn't want to buy it because I didn't want to spend too much, but I like that the option's there. I did like the Cutlery range, but I feel like I want like I just want an all gold Cutlery set or an all black Cutlery set. Either one, I want like, I just don't think I like the whole bit of both. So yeah, that's that. Next up, my shelf above my TV that I actually need to change anyway to a black one, but my shelf above my TV needed just a little filler. I did want something gold, but I don't know, I'm just not seeing anything to go up there. So for the time being, I thought I would get a nice candle holder because I've just repainted the living room to make it sort of a more neutral colour instead of the white and grey. Anyway, I thought this would go quite well in here because we just put down some laminate flooring. But this is literally just a simple candle holder. I only paid £3 for it. I thought it would look nice next to a little reed diffuser, like have this, both of them there. So I don't know if you've seen this range in here at the moment, but I feel like they had Restore, Revive and something else. But again, I could be making that up, I'm not too sure. But yeah, they had like basically 3 words and they've all got the same scent, and they've got them like the candles, diffusers. The little candle holder was £3 and the diffuser, which smells really nice. This is a sandalwood, cedar and cardamom. Or is it cardamom? I think it's cardamom. And it's got like the black sticks as well. So I thought for £4, this one's £4. I thought for £4, I'm gonna try and take a picture to show you as well. It just made it look a little bit more luxury. I did forget one item from the cleaning section of the video. I picked up a new broom. So obviously I put down laminate flooring in the living room. So I needed just like a soft broom just to sweep up. This I just thought was cute. It was in like the little, what do you call that, like special buys section. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's just got like a marble top and then like a nice wooden stick to it. I just thought it looked nicer than like a little bit more expensive than like those plastic grey or red ones that you can get. Not that anyone's going to be looking at my broom. Absolutely nobody is going to look at this, but it's the small joys for me, right? This was only £4. And on to my last 2 bits. This was quite a quick haul, don't you think? I think I said that already. On to my last bit. So for the bathroom, I needed a towel rail, and then I saw this one, I thought it was so nice. So it's called the cane storage shelf. It's obviously got a little basket bit there where you can hang your stuff, and then it's got the little black towel rail that you can hang your towel. This was only £12. I feel like that's such a bargain. Like, I might open it and it's going to be tiny actually. I didn't think of that. It does say though it's 36 centimeters long, so a bit bigger than a ruler. Not that big, but still, I thought it was still quite cute. And you're only going to hang your hand towel on it anyway, aren't you? So you don't need it. You're only going to hang your hand towel on it anyway, so you don't need it that big, do you? Last but not least, I picked up a hand towel to go with the rail. This was only £4. It was part of the Natural Sanctuary range. It's a nice like stony colour. I like the little tassel bits that it's got going on here. I'll show you a bit closer there. Feels like it's nice quality. And for £4 you can't go wrong. I thought it was nice and neutral to go in the bathroom. So yeah, that's it. So that was it for everything I got in this haul. I know it's quite a short one, but I only picked up bits that I actually needed to get, not things just for the sake of buying it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed being back to YouTube. If you haven't already, then do please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you stick around. So until the next video, take care guys, bye.